What up, fam? It's your boy AB, and you already know what time it is. Thanksgiving is coming in hot. Today, we putting 3 potatoes to the test. We doing red, Yukon Gold, and Russet to see which one earns the spot on your holiday table. And this ain't no instant mash situation. We going real butter, real cream, and real feast mode flavor. So let's get it. Now, first up, red potatoes. These are perfect if you like your mash a little chunky, you know, with the skins on, just right for them, for that down home, you know, that family style plate. Okay, so look, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna quarter these. I'm gonna give you guys the general rule for those of you guys that don't know. These already been washed, by the way. When they all the same size, they all ready at the same time, right? So the smaller we do them, the quicker they're ready. Okay, so don't forget we doing potatoes, right? So you know what? Potatoes will take some salt. You know what I mean? I just give it a couple of pinches of salt, leave it like that. Now that we have boiling water, let's move this around, make sure it dissolves, right? And then you just wanna add, you know, your quartered red potatoes. Okay, so look, I got butter, garlic, parsley, and thyme. They working together over this low heat. So check it out, this right here smells like, you know, Thanksgiving in a pan. Now don't go crazy, we want rustic, not baby food, right? So you wanna add that garlic herb butter and a scoop of that sour cream. Look, you stir it up till it's creamy, but still got some personality, like your boy, AB. Now, I want you to take a look at this right here. Look, that's love in a bowl. Garlic, herbs, and just enough texture to hold up to your next turkey and gravy. Now let's get fancy with these Yukon Golds, right? These are the ones that'll make your guests say, hey, who made these potatoes? Now these are naturally buttery and creamy, so you know what? We finna lean into that. Warm your dairy, folks. Don't shock your potatoes on Thanksgiving. This right here, this that steakhouse smooth. Listen, it's glossy, golden, silky. This the mash that you serve with that prime rib or that smoked turkey you've been bragging about. Look at that. Yes, sir. And now, the people's champ, the russet. Now listen, it's light, airy, and the best carrier for the gravy too. Russets soak up flavor like, you know, cornbread and gravy. So treat them right. Don't overwork it, folks. Listen, or you'll end up, you know, with like a potato type glue, right? So listen, this is what we want. We want clouds, not wallpaper paste. Okay, so look, this is what we're gonna do. We got all 3 of them here. I done took pictures of everything. Now we're gonna start with these red potatoes, which happen to be my favorite, right? They're a little bit on the cool side. Let's get a little bit of that butter, but you see this right here? Look at that right there. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Now check this out. This right here is love in the bowl. Look, the garlic and herbs, just enough texture to hold up to your next turkey and gravy. Don't trip. This is my favorite. You guys do what you're gonna do. Now we're getting ready to check these Yukon Gold. Ooh, look at this here. Look at that right there. They don't call that Yukon Gold for nothing, folks. Cheers again. Hey, I'm gonna go back in here. Give me a little more. That right there is right too. Now this right here, this that Cadillac of the mashed potatoes right here, right? It's like velvet that you can eat. It's gonna be tough. All right, so here, we're gonna go ahead and hit this russet. Let's go ahead and get us some of this right here. Again, this is finna be tough. Hey nephew, this about to be tough, homeboy. Okay, so like, this is like that Sunday after Thanksgiving leftover vibe, you know what I mean? Look, you can throw some turkey gravy on top of this and I promise you, you're done. Make you wanna drop your fork or your spoon. However, this is about to be tough. Now check this out. Man, this is tough, man. I'm telling you, I'm true to my red potatoes, right? I'm gonna go ahead and bring nephew. I'm gonna put you on the spot. Come on, nephew. I need you to taste these 3 and you tell me which one we're gonna put on there. I know what he's gonna say. He's gonna say put on 3 of them on there. Well, go ahead and do your thing.
I'm gonna start with this one right here. A little butter.
That's the rustic, huh? I said the rustic, but it's the russet. All right.
That one cool. Let me try this red one.
Hey, this one right here, you tell me, I think that one gotta have gravy on it. You know what I mean? More like a staple for like the holiday.
It's something special about that one.
Okay. It is, homie. I made it.
Nah, these the ones.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but
Yeah, that's him. That's him right there.
That's right. All right, fam. Look, we got 3 mashes, 3 moods. You get the rustic red for for the herb lovers, the golden Yukon for the smooth operators, and that fluffy russet for the gravy gang. Right? Which one of you guys gonna be putting on your Thanksgiving table this year? Let me know. I want you guys to drop it in the comments and let me know your favorite. And don't forget, Thanksgiving is just another excuse to go full feast mode. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and just tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. I'm watching my nephew do, the happy dance on the side right here, and it's making me laugh. Guess what? I'm out. Peace.